I guess I'll ask you guys this question. Do you notice that you're satisfied sooner when you're eating keto? Like if you've eaten a keto meal compared to eating a meal full of carbs? Like when your satisfaction level kicks in?
Oh, yeah. So I mentioned bran muffins with my grandma, right? My sister and my cousin ate so many bran muffins one year because, like...
This is a good story.
They were just literally lying on the ground, like rolling around, moaning, because they had eaten so much of this thing that they loved, but they just couldn't, they didn't get full. I mean, I think my sister might have had a dozen bran muffins. Like, imagine what that does to you once it's fully processed. So, yeah. And one of the things that we always did in that house was... we would try and scare each other as much as we possibly could. Like, hide around a corner and jump out and just, like, spook the other person. That was a good year. Yes, Lisa. So, Tara's got probably one of the best cheesecake recipes on our channel that I've ever had, like, for, keto recipes. She just, like it's tiger nut flour, right? That's what you used in the crust on that one? I don't know. It's just so good.
There's a little bit of it in there.
Yeah, it's so good.
Are you hungry?
Yeah,
what's going on right now?
Let's take it with us. Let's go make a cheesecake.
Yeah. only so many things. Yeah. You're satisfied so much faster. I often find myself handing my food over to him. Like I eat half my portion and I'm like, I'm done. Like I don't want this. And he's almost always hungry. But so we used to go to the restaurant and he would order like 2 appetizers and his entree and finish all of it off.
Yeah.
Right? And then eat half of my meal too.
Of course. I cooked lasagna the other night for my family and they loved it. It was made with zucchini and I don't know.
Roast sauce? I guess I'm not sure what that sauce is.
They were surprised by it.
Yeah, and that is a surprising thing, isn't it? When you cook, our kids, like, they'll walk in the house when I'm, like, in the middle of recipe creation or I've just pulled something from the oven and they'll go, ooh, can I try that? Because they're teenagers, right? They're 15, 16, 19, 18, yeah. And they're always so excited to try the new keto food because they know it tastes good. And often it's like, oh, like, I want a bowl of that. And we're like, well, here's your dinner. And they're like, aw.
Yeah.